Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw a simple and easy Iron Man. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with Iron Man's head. And I'm going to start off with the top of his head by drawing a half circle. It'll look like this. You can see it's not that perfect along the top. My hands were a little shaky, but that's okay. We'll just keep going anyways. So next I'm going to draw the side of his head by doing 3 sides of a rectangle. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. And I'm actually going to do that on both sides. Now, to work towards the bottom of his helmet, we're going to draw straight lines that come down kind of at an angle or a slant. And we're going to connect these 2 lines with a straight line that will have kind of a slight curve to it. So now that we got the outside shape of his helmet, we're going to work on his face. So I'm going to do a straight line that comes up, and I'm going to do that on both sides. And now he's going to have these straight lines that come up at an angle. Now, if you need to pause the video at any point to slow down or to catch up, feel free to do so, no big deal. So I'm going to draw another straight line that's going to come down at these angles like this. And we're going to connect these 2 lines with a straight line. At the bottom of this line, I'm going to draw a straight line that comes out. And these are going to come out at an angle. And then we're going to draw a long straight line that comes down like this. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So his face is very symmetrical. And now I'm going to do a small little line that comes up. And I'm going to connect these 2 lines with a straight line. So now we're going to work on his eyes. So I'm going to draw a straight line like this. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to do a line that comes down, and these are coming down a little bit of an angle. We'll do another short line to bring it in. Now we're going to draw a straight line that comes down like this. And up. And then we're going to close it off just by drawing a straight line like this, which are going to be his eyes. Now let's give Iron Man a smile or a mouth. So I'm going to do a curved line like this. We're going to draw the upper half of his body, just so he's not a big floating head. I'm going to do a pentagon shape. And a pentagon has 5 sides, so we're going to do 1, 2, kind of like a wide V, or a sideways V. We'll do the same thing on the other side here. And then we're going to connect these 2 lines with a straight line. And ideally, I'm going to do that same shape on the other side. So again, we're going to do these sideways wide V shapes like this. We'll do another one on the other side. And then connect the 2 with a straight line. And that makes a pentagon. Real quick, did you know that Iron Man's suit could lift up to 100 tons, which is about the same weight of an average blue whale? Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So I'm going to draw these straight lines that come across like this. It will be the top of his shoulders. And this is going to be his armor. So for his armor, where his chest is, we're going to do a straight line. That's kind of near the middle of those pentagons. And then we're going to do a straight line that comes across. Now, for these 2 lines, I'm going to connect them, not with a straight line, but with that wide half circle. So now we're going to draw Iron Man's arc reactor, which is basically his heart of his suit. And it's just going to be this circle. And then we're going to draw the other half of his body, or upper part of his body. And it's going to look like this. Let's add some arms. I'm going to draw his arms just by adding these lines. So again, just like what I did here, I'm going to do a straight line, a smaller straight line, and then I'm going to connect the two with another straight line. For his gloves, we're going to do a rectangle. So all I'm doing is just doing a rectangle shape like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the line right about here, and I'm going to connect the two lines. So same thing on the other side. We're going to do kind of like a rectangle. And now I'm going to start a line right about here, and I'm going to connect the two lines. And we're going to just draw a line here for the rest of his glove. So it'll look just like this. You know, we're going to move this line down a little bit for his torso. So right now we have a very simple outline of Iron Man. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add some color, and that color is going to make him pop and make it look like a really cool piece of art. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some markers on top of some marker paper, maybe some colored pencils, and I'm going to fast forward, but feel free to pause the video again at any time, and if you need to use the video as a reference, please do. I'll be right back. And this is my Iron Man. So remember when we first started drawing, it started out as a very simple outline of Iron Man, but adding color to it really made it pop and turn into a pretty cool piece of art. So if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the next one, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.